Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Next.js enhance React by enabling SSR, static generation and routing without external libraries. It improves performance and SEO out of the box, making it an ideal choice for production-ready web apps, especially for dynamic or content-heavy websites. Next.js makes SSR easy, improve SEO, speed up initial load, and gives better performance for dynamic content. With the Next.js app router, SSR gives fresh data on each request using dynamic rendering, while SSG generated static HTML at build time. SSG is faster and great for caching, whereas SSR is for real-time personalized or frequently updated content. What are some common performance optimization techniques in Next.js? First, static site generation or SSG. Use static rendering whenever possible. Phases are pre-rendered at build time for blazing fast performance. Incremental static regeneration or ISR. Update static phases without rebuilding the whole site. Export constant revalidate equals 60. That means its phase update every 60 seconds. And server side rendering or SSR. It's render only when needed. Use SSR only for phases that need fresh data on every request. Our website need any fresh data or continuously changing data, we can use server-side rendering. Image optimization with Next image. Automatically resize, compress, and service image in modern formats like WebP. We can use using input image from Next image. Code splitting and lazy loading. Next.js automatically split code for route. You can also manually lazy load component. Constant profile. If using a splitting on profile, we can use like constant profile equal dynamic equal input. That means we import any component using dynamic and SSR false. S function or middleware. Move logic closer to users for faster response. Font optimization. Use built-in font optimization with Next font. We can use Google Fonts for better optimization. We import Google Font using Next font. CDN and caching. Vercel or other host automatically cache static assets and phases. You can control phase caching too. What is Redux and why is it used? Redux is a state management library for JavaScript application. It helps manage and centralize application state. especially in large-scale apps where multiple components need to share and update data constantly. Here are the main reasons developers use redux. First, centralized global state. All app state is stored in a single source of truth, like redux store. Easy to debug and track data changes. Second, predicted state changes. State changes are handled using pure functions called reducers. You always know how your state will change based on action. Third, scale well in large apps. With many components and deeply nested trees, passing state by props becomes messy. Redux solves that by making a state accessible anywhere by hooks like use selector. Fourth, middleware support. Powerful tools like Redux Thang or Redux Saga let you handle async logic like fetching data from APIs. Fifth, great dev tools. Redux dev tool let you track every state changes, debug easily, and even time travel through state history. How does Redux manage state? Redux manages application state through a centralized store. The state can only be updated by dispatching actions, which are handled by pure function called reducers. This predictable flow ensures a consistent and maintainable state management system, especially in large React or Next.js app. Thank you.